Today we are spending most of our day outside, getting all of our flowers planted and tuning up the kids' bicycles. Our outdoor patio space is just as important as our indoor spaces. Thank you for coming along, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Welcome to the country castle. Today, I don't even know where to be. Either I am outside or I am inside. I am ping-ponging between projects because I have been getting my garden ready and the weather is just so beautiful. We got rain last week and now I get to finish prepping my garden and getting our pots planted today. We have family coming on Sunday for Mother's Day, and I want my outdoor space beautiful and ready to welcome all of our guests. So I'm going to take you along on that today, but I'm also doing housework as well. And we all know that when we're outside doing all the yard work, the inside stuff kind of falls apart. So I have some things I need to get done inside, always laundry, prepping food. I feel like I'm coming back to life. I had a few emotional days where I just didn't want to do anything. And now that the weather is beautiful and this big transition of my son leaving is done, I feel like I'm able to focus back on the things that I need to as a homemaker and just getting my house back into shape. So I'm taking you along on that today. Thank you so much for your support for my son, our family. I so appreciate it. I appreciate your comments. Thank you so much for supporting us, and I hope you enjoy today's video. I am outside in my yard. This is where I've been spending a lot of my time. It's healing back here. It's just a place I love to be. And this year we actually expanded our garden by double, which was a big deal. We are just slowly working on our space back here. As you can see, I'm still working on it. Beyond this fence here was just a chain link. We took down the chain link fence and we have expanded it back behind it where that old school bell is. And we've just incorporated that as a feature into the garden. And so our goal this year is to plant all of our pumpkins. We love to plant pumpkins and grow them all for our porch in the fall. And I love having flowers growing and things like that. So this has been the space that we have been working on, and it has been so fun to see it come together. It's been a lot of work. I'm going to be working on filling up more of my garden boxes today with our compost. We're going to plant some fuzzy sunflowers. They're my favorite thing to grow in the garden. I planted them last year and they were such a delight. So I'm planting all of our pots today with the kids because we want to make this space beautiful and ready for all of our company. And I feel like I need to go get some new cushions for a little sofa, antique sofa that I have on the deck as well. So those are the things we're going to work on today. Today's sponsor is Letters from Afar. This is a company that I have been using for over 7 years. You get a monthly letter, or you can have them more often than that. You can really just cater this to what you want it to be, but these are explorer letters that my kids look forward to getting. There is nothing more special than snail mail, and these letters teach them about things around the world. These are explorer adventures, and they are so fun. We love opening these together, learning something new, and then collecting them. You can also get their tin, which I love because it's a place that we can store all of our letters that we've collected over time. They also have other subscriptions as well. It is such a neat resource for your kids. If your kids love getting mail and you want them to learn something, the fun thing about getting these letters is it ignites our learning for that specific place that they are teaching us about from around the world, which just guides us in being able to talk about more things, do art that's related to these letters. It is a perfect springboard for creating and learning more. So if you have been looking for a fun thing for your kids to get, or your grandkids to get, nephew, nieces, whoever it is, and you want them to be able to get mail and learn from these cool letters from around the world, I highly recommend Letters from Afar, and they've given me a discount code. It is Journey for 10% off. You can get your subscription or just buy bundles of letters as well. I hope you check it out. Thank you so much for supporting my sponsor, and I hope you enjoy the rest of today's video. I love creating beautiful spaces for my family to gather and for friends to gather as well. That is always my goal, is when you come to my home or into my backyard, that it is an actual oasis, a rest, something that we definitely need in this busy world. And it is something that I feel very passionately about. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope this inspires you to not only take the beauty in your home, but do it outside as well, so that you can enjoy that beautiful time with your family. It is well worth the time that we put into it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.